Imagine a world where the stakes are high and your machine learning system doesn't know that it doesn't know. It doesn't recognize confusions, it doesn't recognize anomalies, it doesn't know when it's wrong. What would this world be like? Imagine that your ML system for predicting the price of Bitcoin doesn't notice the trend changing, and all of your investments evaporate overnight. Or perhaps you are in a self-driving car that doesn't recognize unfamiliar environments. What happens when it sees an unknown obstacle on the road or a confusing road sign? It could crash, with fatal consequences. Finally, imagine that a machine learning cancer diagnosis system tells you that you don't have cancer, but you do, and when you do find out, it's too late. This is a world without uncertainty estimation. It is not a world you'd like to live in. Now imagine a different world where your machine learning model knows that it doesn't know and why it doesn't know, where it can detect anomalies and confusions and act safely. A world where machine learning prevents you from making poor Bitcoin investments, where self-driving cars drive safely in poor conditions, where medical diagnostic systems ask for human assistance when they're not sure. A world of machine learning with uncertainty estimation. In this video series, we will teach you how to construct such a world, how to build machine learning systems which are able to do uncertainty estimation. You will learn why knowing when your model is uncertain is important and how estimates of uncertainty can be applied, how to differentiate between different types of uncertainty, and how to quantify the uncertainty in a machine learning model. And finally, how to obtain these measures of uncertainty with methods that are computationally tractable and easy to implement. This video series will feature experts in the area from a range of top research groups. If you wish to build a safer world, see our videos.